Hi everyone. So I wanted to talk a little bit about Avid as my program of choice to improve writing and reading literacy. So Avid stands for Advanced via Individual Determination. It's a program that's mostly in middle school and secondary schools. The purpose of this program is to really close the achievement gap. So it's really targeted to kids that fall somewhere in the lines of being able to reach that achievement gap. And it's really to prepare students for college and other opportunities. So what Avid does, it provides daily instruction to students. It is a period long or sometimes a double block, so students do have the Avid elective in their programs or schedules. Okay, so Avid works by bringing research-based strategies into the classrooms. I guess it's mostly seen in secondary education and middle schools. What it does is it also helps develop critical thinking skills by applying certain strategies. So, for example, a strategy that Avid is notoriously known for is Cornell notes. So Avid definitely brings research-based strategies into the classroom so that students can apply these strategies within all content area. So students can take the Avid strategies and bring them into their English class, into their math class, into their history class, into their science class. It teaches organizational skills and study skills, and it really provides motivational activities. So during the weekdays, students learn a lot about organizational and study skills, and then on Fridays, students participate in activities, games, and team building activities to help them really create a community and a safe environment. So usually on Fridays or a day of the week, Avid teachers take time to really create community building activities for their students, and Avid teachers must be trained in the program so they have experience with how to create these motivational activities and how to use them in order to create this idea of enrichment. Avid teaches basic skills for all areas, as I said before. It provides support, it provides tutorials, it provides positive relationships with students, and it creates a sense of hope for students because they believe that if you are working hard in all your classes, you will be successful. So in these Avid courses, it really is foundational skills and strategies that can be applied to all classes. This is just an example of what some of the strategies that an Avid classroom looks like from my experience and from experience in looking at the different programs and the different worksheets that Avid has to offer. So here is Avid's levels of questioning the text, and this is a house that Avid uses. We've all heard of CASA's levels of questioning the text. However, Avid makes it a little bit more user-friendly by creating a house for students so that students see that there's a level 1 in the house, the first floor, a level 2 in the house, the mid-floor, and a level 3 in the house. So when students generate questions or create critical thinking skills questions, they're using strategies such as these Avid questioning the text. Here's another strategy that Avid uses in order to create rigor and to really help promote academic success in all their classes. Here is a tutorial request form in which students reflect on their classes and they really think about their areas of struggle and what they need to do to improve in their course, so they can select which courses they know that they're necessarily strong at and reflect on that, and they can pick courses that they know that are areas of weakness and reflect on that. So the tutorial request form is just another Avid strategy that has students reflect and create goals and plans and ideas into place to assure academic success. What research says about Avid? So there was a 4-year study conducted in Texas, and And in this study, there are 7 districts that were analyzed with Avid programs, and all schools shown gain in some sort of area, whether it be attendance, GPA, and AP course enrollment. So there was an increase in either the attendance, GPA, or enrollment in AP. Research also says that the Avid experience has increased college readiness, and it also says that the Avid has provided a family-like environment, and again, this is most likely because of the team-building activities that Avid provides. Also, according to research, it says that the organizational tools and the study skills increased academic achievement. This goes back to what I showed you over here, where we have different strategies to help students achieve success, such as Cornell Notes, such as reflecting on student progress within all their content areas, such as strategies like creating questions about the text. All of these strategies improved academic achievement. And this study, this study was conducted in 2004, and then we have another study by Watt conducted in 2010. Research also says that Avid shows increase in enrollment of high rigor, where non-Avid schools show decrease in enrollment. So again, Watt is notorious for creating these case studies in which he analyzes different schools and looks at enrollment and attendance and these different variables and how Avid impacts these variables. Research also says that teachers mature from Avid schools and report higher levels of school culture and climate. So this is a great thing. Again, teachers create the school culture because they're creating a safe, comfortable environment with their peers.